everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you through how to download MetaTrader 5 on PC. Downloading MetaTrader 5 on your PC is a quick and a straightforward process. So let's go ahead and get started. Launch open a web browser first on your PC. Go to the URL box at the top and type in metacodes.net and press enter on your keyboard. Now you will be able to see the download MetaTrader 5 option displayed on the screen. Simply click download MetaTrader for Windows and your MetaTrader 5 setup file will be downloaded. Once you do so, click on open file. Go through the installation process and follow through the on-screen instructions to complete your installation process. After it's done, click on finish and you will be able to download MetaTrader 5 on your PC. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.